It's time to be data dependent again. The data shows that manufacturing and industrial productions are slowing, while the services sector looks pretty robust. Manufacturing employment is about 13% of non-farm payrolls, and manufacturing accounts for less than 15% of GDP. Services, however, are the larger part, about 72% of non-farm payrolls and 70% of GDP. In the late stage of a business cycle, as the interest rates go up, typically we see housing, orders, production, employment, and inflation roll over. Currently, there is indication of housing, orders, and production roll over. Employment is still strong. Inflation rolls over well into the recession. Based on the timeline, the recession is projected to be in Q4 23 or early Q1 24. There is a good chance that there may not be a recession and the economy just does a soft landing and takes off. In terms of the earnings, Q2 earnings reports are just starting to come out. With the inversion in yield curve projecting a tough time ahead for over 1 year now, companies have already tightened their belt and reduced their costs. They are well equipped to handle a slowdown in their businesses. It is expected that the top line revenues are likely to be disappointing this time, while earnings will suffer less in comparison due to the cost controls that most companies have deployed. If the overall earnings is impacted, S&P 500 may see a correction. As the recessionary fears clear over the next few quarters, companies are likely to initiate capital expenditure into the new business cycle and boost productivity. It is time to watch the data signals very carefully again to assess the future path of the financial markets.